Happy Sunday, y'all. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. It is Super Bowl Sunday. What team are you going for? I just wanted to share with y'all. Say hi, Manny. My son is here, y'all. We just leaving church. The sermon was really, really good. And what our pastor been preaching on is change. And when you become a Christian and you really become a Christian, you change the things you do, the places you go, the things you say, the people you hang around, everything becomes different for you. And but I like what he said. He said that, when the devil was tempting Jesus, he saved the temptation on the mountain for last, where he was tempting him, telling him he can have everything. He could be over everybody. He tempted him with material things, right? A status. And a lot of times people get carried away with what they have, the positions they hold and all that, and they make those things material. Remember I talked about that, making material things your God? And my pastor said something today. He said it's not about what you have, it's about who have you. Man, I'm telling you, having Jesus in your life makes a difference. I'm telling y'all, when you truly have that relationship with him, it's a peace that I never thought in my lifetime. I remember LeBron James said he never thought that he would live to see the moment when he had the most points as an NBA player. And I kind of feel the same way about the peace I have being in Christ. It's a peace. It's indescribable, y'all. It's like I could shout. It ain't really nothing to shout about. It's like sometimes I get so full I cry, but I don't have nothing to cry about. It's weird. But it's the best feeling I ever had in my life. And that's why I come on here every day. I don't care if and I know analytics and getting in the algorithm and all that. I'm not chasing fame. I'm not chasing notoriety. I'm chasing Christ, and I'm just trying to get people to get to where I am with him. I'm serious. I'm dead serious about that. And man, it's I'm telling y'all, oh my goodness. It just, and I try to do things to make people see that he's real, man. He's all right, I ain't gonna be on here long. Happy Super Bowl Sunday. I love the I like the commercials during the Super Bowl Sunday. I like the halftime show. I like all that about it. So I'm headed over to Sam's. I have a few things I wanted to pick up and get things. Y'all, I've had salads just about every day this week, and I've been loving them. And on my salad, all I had is lettuce, tomato. I've been using avocado because it's good for you. And I've been getting the 4-pepper turkey, putting it on there. And then yesterday, Saturday, after I came back from taking my brother, I had some honey mustard chicken. I had chopped it up. I had that left over with bacon and the Swiss cheese on it. And I had a little piece of that, and I cut up in that salad. Man, that was good. Yeah, so I'm learning to eat salads more and more, and I like them. You know what I'm saying? I guess the bad part about it is the salad dressing, but I don't use that much of it. All right, y'all. I finally got my new glasses. But tell me what y'all think about them, honestly. I didn't like them at first. I think they're all right. I think my face maybe don't look as fat with these glasses. I don't know. It's just something different. I've been wearing the same glasses for 2 years, so it's time to switch it up. I'm thinking about going on one of those cheap sites and getting me some more now, but my eyes are bad. My church member told me about Zlul. My sister told me about LensCrafter. She said she went on LensCrafter and got her glasses, her frames, and then she went to Walmart and got her lenses. So I may do something like that, but I just want to switch it. I don't want to have the same look all the time. All right, y'all, it's Super Bowl Sunday. I'm going to give me an ice chest. Look, I'm a Christian. I love the Lord, but I do drink Bud Light. I'm just going to keep it real. I'm not going to sit here and tell y'all I don't ever drink. And then I have some of those little Cayman Jack daiquiris. Then we got water. And I got tea. All right, y'all, we're not doing sodas. And I don't feel as big in my belly, my stomach without the soda. I still got but I'm also joining Planet Fitness, y'all. So anyway, y'all have a fantastic Super Bowl Sunday. Don't do too much so you can't go to work after Super Bowl Monday. Talk to y'all later. Bye.